thing. Look at that. Morning again, peeps. Yeah, man, I don't know. Right now, I have to call the names. Alright. Yes, peeps. Right now, I don't know. With the woods side, you see me? Yeah, man. Right now, we are going to look at online fishing. They are the whole of family, them, you see it? You see me, I say? Yeah, man. The whole of family, this, you see me?
One word.
Yeah, man. One family. You see me? So, right now, we are going on the location. So, we are going to see what we are going. We are see if we can do a catch and cook food today. You see it? Yeah, man. We don't know a chopping set already. You see it? Yeah, man. So, stay tuned. Yeah, man.
Yeah, peeps, we there, you know. Yeah, man, we're the whole team there. Yeah, man, for all there, we are up on the location, you know. So people just stay tuned, you know. So just sketch up on the location, you see me?
What? Great. Whole family there. Peeps, reach our destination, you know. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful place, you know. Yeah, man, a beer, Macovian duck, they are common fowl and things, you know. Yeah, man, I like the settings, you know. Yes, peeps, right now, you know. In a shekels to reach, you know. Yeah, man. Right now, I tell you, Jano, I love the vibes, peeps. It's a very beautiful thing. Because right now, I tell you the truth, you know. This is like a farm. Yeah, man. It's like I come on, I love nature, same like we. Dig out a big pond, you know. Have him fish them and him duck them and things, you know. Yeah, man. It's a beautiful look. Jano. Right now, I'm going to buy a whole of this Alanya peeps. I tell you. With all I duck them pan. And I call them. Look at that. Them just easy. You know? Them things I may talk about peeps. Yeah, man. This is a beauty about things, you know? Yeah, man. Look on them. Look on them lie down about the place. About the place. Duck are swimming in the water. Look there. You can smell the fish then.
Everybody there. Good fry.
Yeah, man. Right now there, you know. New location, you know. Just a move around and see what I go and show you what I go on, you know. So I think that, you know. But we soon give you more details. Just watch and see what I go on. You see me? Don't worry about it, man. Just watch and see what I go on. You see it, peeps? People right now, you know.
Me wind and rain. appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you get me out there fine. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
See, man, see pickings. Yes, people, see there? Just what they call them? Armored catfish. Yeah, man. The reason why they call them armored catfish, you see this? It's tough. Yeah, man. It come like it's a shell them have on, you know? Tough, but so they call them armored catfish. We don't name them things still, you know? We just throw about them thing there in the water and make them go live. You know? See me? Look at them. Armored catfish. Yes, people, so they are going to hold it out. You know, say, the fish them kind of eat them lunch already and things, so them are going to easy for you to get ready to eat them, you know? Alright. As me talk, I wanna shake me up at 2 hard bunks me get. But them left it, you know. Go and watch him. Murder them over there, go and easy themselves.